In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Guess Who on Google Meet. This fun and interactive game can be a fantastic way to breathe some life into your meetings or just have a good time with friends or colleagues online. So, let's dive in and see how you can set up and play this classic guessing game right from the comfort of your digital meeting room. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Calendar. This is where you can access all your scheduled meetings and events. Once you're there, look for the Google Meet session you want to use for your game. It could be a meeting you've already scheduled for something else, or you might consider setting up a session specifically for this fun activity. After you've selected your meeting, click on Join with Google Meet. This will open the Google Meet interface in your browser. Now that you're in Google Meet, click Join Now to enter the meeting. Here's where the game begins. To start playing Guess Who, choose two participants from the meeting. You will need someone to think of a person, and another participant who will be the guesser. The person who thinks of someone should choose any participant from those in the meeting, but refrain from revealing who they've picked. It's essential to keep this selection a secret to keep the game exciting and challenging. The next step, once the secret person is chosen, is for the guesser to start asking questions. These questions must be answerable with a simple yes or no. The goal is to gradually narrow down the field of possible candidates and zero in on who's been chosen. Questions could be about physical attributes, items in the background, or anything visible that might help in identifying the mystery individual. It's important to stay within respectful boundaries, keeping the game lighthearted and fun for everyone involved. As questions are being answered, participants whose cameras don't meet the criteria of the questions should turn theirs off. For example, if the question is, "Does this person wear glasses?" and the answer is no, those wearing glasses would turn their cameras off. This visual clue helps the guesser by reducing the number of visible participants and thus narrowing down the possibilities. Finally, once the guesser thinks they've gathered enough clues, it's time to make a guess. Based on the remaining participants whose cameras are still on, the guesser attempts to identify the secret person. If they guess correctly, that's a win, and you can choose a new secret person to keep the game going. If not, it's back to the drawing board with more questions. And that's how you play Guess Who on Google Meet. It's a great activity for virtual team building or just to add some excitement to your online gatherings. Have fun and enjoy bringing a classic game into the digital age.